Ohayo gozaimasu. I'm Professor Dr. Mike Chan. It's a privilege to have a chance to talk to you all over again. Now, today we're going to talk about boosting your immunity against the infection of COVID-19. The first important thing is there's a lot of ways to go about with this. One will be on nutrition side, the nutraceutical side. Of course, we can super boost it with vitamins A, C, D. Obviously, you can go by way of supplementation, by oral route, but at the same time, you can always do an IV infusion. So once you have a strong immunity by way of IV and at the same time with oral route, the next thing is we have to think of the organs. You have to understand we have 5 vital organs: the brain, the liver, the kidney, the lungs, and the heart. And for COVID, the first thing they will go on with will be to attack the lungs. So you must make sure you have a strong lungs before the virus can even attack the lungs. So this you can make use of nano-organopeptides, or the micro-organopeptides. So there are 2 types of peptides you can use here. So obviously you can use the lung, you can use the liver, you can use the heart, you can use the kidney, and you must have the brain, because the brain is the most important part of the organs in our body. So bearing this in mind, so you go with specificity to boost up the immune system by way of thymus, and you can also give the thyroid. Okay, but at the same time, you also take care of all the organs in your body, because your body consists of so many different types of organs. But the 5 main major organs must be super boosted up at this level, so that you don't run into problems, when you are being attacked with the virus. Now again, we have to bear in mind, it wasn't the virus which is going to kill the patient. It's the cytokine storm, the sudden flow of immune cells, a super flow of immune cells which is giving us the problem here. So what we have to do now is to make sure that you are super boost in such a way that even before you are exposed to the virus will never have a chance to go to the lungs. If the virus never have a chance to go to the lungs, that means you will not be infected. And how do you do with that is, of course, like I say, you must go with IV infusions with the ACD, or you can be by way of oral routes. And again, please bear in mind, you are what you are what you eat, and you're what you drink. So this matters a lot. Again, it's the lifestyle here. And most of the time, you notice in the case of COVID, okay, most of the patients are people with a high obesity rate. Okay, that means to say the BMI could be more than 30. And again, most of the patients are older patients for around 60 and above. And these are diabetic patients and heart patients. Why diabetic and heart patients? Because these are the people with poor organ health. So that's the reason why you must boost up the organs of this patient and boost up the immune system. So bear that in mind. If you have a healthy lifestyle with your diet, and you practice and boost up your immune system and keep it at a high level at all time, there wasn't even a chance at all that you will be attacked by the virus, because there's no chance that the virus can come to your system and attack your lungs. So this is what we are trying to do here. Now, if you need more information on how to super boost your immune system and what are the products needed properly, so apart from what I am saying on the nutrition side, you must always supplement with the nano-organopeptides or the micro-organopeptides, and of the different organs like I say. You need the thymus to boost up the immune system. You need the thyroid. You need the 5 vital organs, the lungs, the heart, the liver, the kidney, and your brain. Okay? Now, the next thing is you have the GC-MAF. You have the super transfer factors to complement it along. So with this kind of supplementation ahead, I sincerely think there's a lot of ways you can keep yourself in tip-top condition so that you don't have to be worried about being infected easily. A strong immune system means you will never be infected. Just like in the case of treatment of cancer, if you have a strong immune cell system in your body, the cancer cells which are found in your body will be suppressed. It's the same situation here with the COVID virus. So make sure you have a very strong immune system. Boost it up. Thank you. Arigato gozaimasu.